Hi, Timothy Ankert here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate printing a character array differently. All right, so I've got my header file and my main function, and I'm going to create and initialize my character array. And I'm just going to leave open and close brackets there, and I'm going to type the letters in my character array. Okay, to print this, I can use a printf. And I would use a percentage sign and an S to print it. I'm also going to add a slash and an N for formatting to move it down to the next line. And then I'm just going to type the name of the character array there. And at the end of my main function, I'm going to return 0. Okay. I'm going to save this and open a terminal and compile it. And now I'll run it. And you see it prints out the character array. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.